Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to share board in Monday.com. So if you're working on a board in Monday.com and if you want to share that specific board to some specific people, then shareable boards are the best. There are three boards or three ways to, I would say, format the boards. Let me just show you. For example, if you're working on this board and you have to click here and then go to settings and then change board type. So there are three formats of a board. One is the main board, the other one is a private board, and the other one is a shareable board. Now, what's the difference between these three boards? A main board is a board which is accessible to each and everybody on on the project that you're working on, or someone, if it's in your employee, they have a login to monday.com and into your firm's workspace, they can access it. But a private board is a board which is not viewable or which is not accessible to everyone. Private boards are only accessible to the top executives. So the third one is a shareable board. So a shareable board is a board that you can share with someone. It's kind of private and kind of public as well. Private in a way that it's not accessible to everybody who logs into monday.com. And secondly, it's also not restricted from everyone. So it's semi-private and semi-public, I can say that. It's actually for those that you want to see. So in order to make this board shareable, what do you need to do? You need to click on these three dots, settings, change board type, change to shareable board. Shareable boards are visible only to subscribers. People who access this board without subscribing will no longer have access. So like I said, it's only accessible to subscribers. They have to subscribe or you have to invite them. That's completely up to you. Choose whether to invite item assignees to the board, invite them and grant them access, don't invite them and remove their access. So yeah, when we change this, you can see there's this icon or logo right here of shareable board. The board is shareable. You can invite guests to it. So now everybody cannot see this board. Only those to whom you have shared the link, they are going to see the specific board. So if you want to invite someone, what you can do, you can click on invite and then you can write the name of these guests and they'll have to log in and then they can see this board. You can invite people to this board and that's how they can see this board. Another thing is that you can copy the link, and when the link is copied, you can send this link to them and they'll be able to see it. So that's how you uh, send a shareable board and make a shareable board. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.